Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making the Berry Blast Salad, or the Meal Buster Salad Mark II. Now, as Homer Simpson says, you don't make friends with salad. And usually salad doesn't... Usually the videos that do best on this channel are the super deep fried ones, the crazy stuff. But it's summertime and I like berries. We're going to start with a handful of strawberries. You're just gonna cut the stems off. And once you're done with that, you're gonna cut them down. See? Easy enough, right? So nice, I'll do it twice. Now do the rest. Okay, then per usual, we're gonna trim off any excess fat on our chicken thighs. You know, you want to leave some fat on there, but you don't want a big extra flap like that. That's not necessary. It's a salad. Okay, once I've trimmed all the thighs, I'm putting them in a Ziploc bag. Again, you want to leave some fat on there. Fat is flavor. We just want to take off the hanging fat, the unnecessary fat. Then I'm sticking my berries in the bag. And a handful of raspberries. So then I'm pouring in a full cup of Italian dressing. You know what that's about. You've probably marinated with this before, or you've seen somebody do it. Pretty basic, make chicken taste better thing. Then you're just gonna massage your chicken. If you want to smush the berries, you can. Try to get everybody to blend together. Also, by the way, you just witnessed a pretty big no-no food service whoopsie doodle. I probably should not have plopped the bag down right where I was just chopping raw chicken. That's probably a no-no. So now I'm sticking my bag in a bowl so as not to contaminate anything in the fridge, and I'm going to put this in the fridge for a couple hours. Most of the marinade recipes that included berries on the internet said 2 to 4 hours for chicken, so that's what I'm going to do. Nothing too extensive. You want to get everything ready before it's time to cook the chicken. I thought about recording some of this, but you've seen me chop things before, so let's just get to it. I've got red pepper and green pepper. I've got strawberries and raspberries. I fourthed the strawberries and halved the raspberries. I've also got some toasted sesame seeds. There's some cheese in the fridge. We'll bring that out later. This is romaine and spinach that I've cut into manageable chunks. They're still too big, but you know, salad is a skill that I'm not very good at, hence we do this occasionally. Anyway, we've got our cast iron coming up on medium. I thought that I had purchased some sun-dried tomatoes. I thought I'd bought some sun-dried tomatoes at the store. Apparently I did not, alas. And we're just going to start throwing this on. Get it nice and hot. Once they look about ready, you can flip them. I like them to pick up a little color. This one's done, this one's not. This one's got about 5 degrees to go. This one's got about 10 or 15. Now for the part I'm curious about, do we actually get any berry flavor in this? A little bit on the back end. Not stupendously berryful, as I'd maybe hoped in my wildest dreams. This one seems to be the one that got the most berry in it. You can see the sugars around it. What I really think we're going to get out of this is that marinating with fruit is going to give you a little bit more breakdown of the proteins and stuff like that. You know, usual food voodoo science. Once they're finished, you're ready to cut. I like to do these one bowl at a time so that I can customize as much as I want. And since this is lunch, I'm only gonna make one salad. I'm not cooking for anybody today. So I'm gonna grab a handful of my salad, my lettuce, my lettuces. Now I certainly understand the people that want to do this family style, make a big salad bowl, mix it up. I find that most of the time when I'm making salad, I'm making lunches. And this way, if I make it one at a time, the salad doesn't get all soggy. I hate soggy salad. It's no fun. I put down a generous coating of freshly grated Monterey Jack cheese. I love me some Jack cheese. Now I'm coating with my chicken and my peppers. And now we'll go ahead and star the berries. So yeah, I like salad, but I don't like the traditional salad. I tend to like, if I'm going to do a salad, it's going to be a meal. And it's going to be enough to fill a large bowl. And I've got some nice balsamic vinegar. I thought about using the Italian dressing that I marinated the chicken in, but this just seemed to fit the theme a little bit better. So we'll do it this way. And again, I want my salad to be a meal, so that's why I make it to look like this. Okay. Berry Blast Meal Buster Salad Mark II. Yes, I did name my salad using the Iron Man conventions. Leave a comment down below. Tell a friend about the show where some fool in his kitchen makes crap up. And like, subscribe, click the bell. You know how it works. You've lived on the you've lived in a world with the internet long enough. You know how this works. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.